Having trouble making your book look exactly how you envision it within Atticus? Do you find yourself wishing you had more control over the aesthetics, beyond just the default settings? You're not alone. Many authors, when they first start using Atticus, marvel at its simplicity and efficiency for formatting their books. But then, as they dive deeper, they often hit a wall. How do I truly personalize my book's appearance? How do I make it reflect my brand, my genre, my unique artistic vision? It's a common misconception that Atticus, with its streamlined approach, limits your creative control over your book's design. While it's true that Atticus excels at providing beautiful, ready-made themes that work for a vast majority of authors, it also offers a powerful, albeit somewhat hidden, feature: the ability to deeply customize those themes or even create entirely new ones. This isn't just about picking a different font. It's about adjusting spacing, tweaking heading styles, defining paragraph indents, and truly making your book's interior design sing. Think about it. You've poured your heart and soul into writing your masterpiece. You've spent countless hours crafting compelling characters, intricate plots, and breathtaking worlds. Why should the final presentation of that masterpiece be anything less than perfect? A well-designed interior doesn't just look professional. It enhances the reader's experience, guiding their eye through your narrative seamlessly and immersing them more deeply in your story. A poorly formatted book, on the other hand, can be distracting, even jarring, pulling readers out of the flow and making your hard work feel less polished. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about professionalism and brand identity. If you're a serious author, especially one who plans to publish multiple books, establishing a consistent and recognizable visual brand is crucial. Customizing your Atticus themes allows you to bake that brand directly into the very DNA of your books, ensuring that every publication carries your unique signature. It sets you apart from the crowd, making your books instantly recognizable to your loyal readers and signaling to new readers that they're in for a high-quality experience. So, how do you unlock this level of customization in Atticus? How do you move beyond the preset themes and truly make them your own? The good news is that Atticus has made the process incredibly intuitive, once you know where to look. It's not about digging through complex code or grappling with obscure design software. It's all built right into the Atticus interface, designed with authors in mind. Let's start by understanding the basic structure of themes in Atticus. Each theme is essentially a collection of predefined styles for various elements of your book: chapter titles, headings, body text, scene breaks, and more. When you select a theme, Atticus applies these styles across your entire manuscript. The beauty of the editing feature is that it allows you to modify these individual styles within a chosen theme, or even create entirely new styles that you can then save and reuse. To begin, you'll want to open your project in Atticus. Once your manuscript is loaded, navigate to the Themes tab. This is where you'll see all the pre-installed themes that Atticus offers. Don't just pick one and assume you're stuck with it. This is your starting point for customization. Select the theme that most closely aligns with your vision, even if it's just for the general feel or a few elements you like. This will serve as your base. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of just applying the theme, look for the Edit or Customize button associated with the selected theme. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Atticus version, but it's usually quite prominent. Clicking this button will open up a powerful customization panel. Within this panel, you'll find a comprehensive array of options, neatly categorized for easy navigation. You'll typically see sections for things like global settings, chapter starts, headings, body text, and special elements. Let's break down some of the key areas you'll want to explore. Under global settings, you can often adjust overall book margins, line spacing, and general font sizes that affect the entire document. This is a great place to start if you want to make broad strokes adjustments to the density and readability of your book. Remember, a comfortable reading experience is paramount. Next, dive into chapter starts. This is where you can truly define the visual impact of your new chapters. You can modify the font, size, and color of your chapter numbers and titles. You can also adjust the spacing above and below them, and even add decorative elements if the theme supports it. Imagine having your chapter titles perfectly aligned with your book's genre: elegant, and refined for literary fiction, bold and impactful for thrillers. The headings section is equally important, especially if your book uses multiple levels of headings, e.g., Heading 1, Heading 2. Here, you can define the font, size, weight, boldness, and color for each heading level. You can also control the spacing before and after each heading, ensuring a clear hierarchy and easy readability for your readers. Consistency here is key to a professional-looking book. Moving on to body text. This is where you fine-tune the primary reading experience. You can choose your preferred font for the main body of your text, adjust its size, and set the line height for optimal readability. You'll also find options for paragraph indentation, which is crucial for distinguishing new paragraphs. Some authors prefer a classic first-line indent, while others opt for block paragraphs with extra space between them. Atticus gives you the flexibility to choose. Finally, explore the special elements section. This might include options for customizing scene breaks, those little symbols or extra spaces that indicate a shift in scene, block quotes, list styles, and even image captions. Don't overlook these details. They contribute significantly to the overall polish of your book. As you make changes, Atticus provides a real-time preview of your book, allowing you to see the immediate impact of your adjustments. This is incredibly helpful for experimenting and iterating until you achieve the perfect look. Don't be afraid to play around with different settings. The beauty of digital publishing is that you can always revert your changes or try something new. Once you're satisfied with your customized theme, make sure to save it. Atticus will typically prompt you to save your changes and even give you the option to save it as a new custom theme. This is a powerful feature because it means you don't overwrite the original theme, and you can reuse your personalized design for future books. Imagine having your own branded theme, ready to apply to every new masterpiece you create. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.